Hi everybody. I've just bought, well I haven't just bought it, I've got a tripod that I don't actually use that often. I've decided that today I'm going to use it because I tried to make a video yesterday and I couldn't really, I couldn't do it because I had to mess about with this thing, with the camera, so I've decided to use this. It just needs setting up, it's just not ready yet. I should have started the video after that, but so I need to get the thing on here. I'm going to do a video, but I don't know what I'm going to do it about, but that doesn't matter because I never know. I just start and blag it, go along as I can. On this particular one, what I intend to do is, hang on, can you see it there? I'm going wrong way, aren't I? Oh dear. Right, how do I flip it? Maybe I don't. Maybe I just go like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up so that it's pointing at the table I'm working on. Please forgive me because I know not what I am doing. See that? Maybe point down a little bit. If I go further over though, it'll fall off unless I can tape it in. I might be able to tape it in, but thing is, I don't know if you can actually see me or not. I'm going to have to try and flip it if I can. Flip camera. There you go. Oh, that's it. Right, so now I'll be working that way around. I can actually see what we're doing. This bit of trellis here is what I'm going to work on for the next 5 or 10 minutes, just for the purpose of the video. It's not about me, so you don't need to see me, but you'll see me little bits and bats. I made this quite a while ago as a prototype for trellises that I were doing. It was never going to be used. I just want to see what I could make and how I can paint it. I don't often paint things like this purely because they're difficult to paint, and the customers, if I sell them one, they'll say, can you have it sky blue pink? And I'll say, well, yeah, but I don't. I'll then go out and buy a bottle of sky blue pink or a can, I'll paint it, and I'll never need that can again. So we're at a point where I had about, I've got a room full of, not even empty, full of paint cans that have gone dry. So I stopped painting. I stopped it. I said, look, I can't be offering you paint because if I do, you all want a different colour, and I really can't. So I decided not to offer any more paint. Let me just be a second. I'm going to put some masking tape on here so I don't knock the phone over. Oh dear. Bit of tape there. It's just to stop the camera from going over. And I can change angle if I need. There it is, look, that's what I'm going to put on it. And there it is. Right, safe and secure now, to a certain extent. At least it'll hold it a little bit. Right, so, while you're watching this, please like, please share, please favourite, put me in your favourites, kick your cat, throw your dog down steps and smack the wife. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up. This has not been painted, believe it or not. It looks like it has been painted black, but it's not paint. It's actually a stain. It's a good stain, and it stays on it well. It's the best thing I've used, to be honest, for these things, because MDF is notoriously difficult to paint. But it's been stuck in my little office over there, which is not an office, it's more like a fridge. You see, what I've got here is I rent a fridge. I should actually call myself Fridge Man. The place that I'm working in right this minute used to be a butcher's abattoir. Well, no, a butcher's food preparation place. So there used to be 80 sheep in here, and pigs and cattle. All on these, there's a big rail above you. You can just see it in the camera. They were all held on here, and they were right through there, loads of them. And there were guys in here that, there's a sink over there, like a what they call it, operator sink, where you can only operate it with your arms. And they used to be here cutting meat up all day long. And it was a large butcher's chain in Wakefield, well-known butcher's chain, Austin's Butchers. And through there is still actually a working fridge. It's massive. I can't turn the camera on because I've just taped it up, but that there is actually, well, it does work. I could switch it on now and it'll get cold, with a big, thick fridge door on it. It's literally 4 metres by 4 metres, so it's quite big. In fact, it's actually 4 metres by 6 metres, so there's a lot of space in there. 24 square metres. Right, so back to this. So I'm going to brush it down, and then I'm going to spray it with, only on one side, varnish, yacht varnish. Now, that's how it is now. Now I'm going to make it shiny. I don't want to spray, I don't want to waste my varnish, but hey ho. It doesn't need much. And I know somebody's going to put a comment, you should be wearing a mask. Somebody did yesterday, you know, I know I should be wearing a mask, but it's done now, it's finished. And that's how much I need to do. And actually, I am going to put a mask on because it does reek a little bit. So, mask. I should actually call my channel Fridge Boy. So I'm wearing a mask now, and all I can do is steam my glasses up. So that's not worked. These trellises, they're made for different reasons. You can put them on the wall with a light behind them in a box. I've got one here that I made just for that purpose. It's got a LED light on it. Yeah, it hasn't got LED lights on it anymore, but we made this with LED lights on it. This was pure light box. MDF, different shape on it. If you imagine the lights go behind there, when it's up against the wall, it lights up perfect. It looks absolutely fantastic. You can have different coloured lights in it. The LEDs are all fit into the back there. You can set a program so they can strobe or they can just go up and down. Very, very good, very effective. I need to do a video of these. There's a great big spider's web in the back. I hope there's no spiders in it because it frightened me to death. But there's the back of it. LEDs go around there, all the way around. We can have battery operated, so you just push it forward and put a clip of battery or whichever. But they're quite effective, very, very good. We sell these and we make them for restaurants and bars, pubs, you know, which is a bar, any kind of business. People buy them for home. We can put them in any style. You can have Asian styles if you like. Some people buy them to put things in for the Quran and, you know, pictures and things like that. Any shape, any size you want. And the start, well, one like that would be £30. One like the black one. That'd be £30. Unpainted, remember, we don't paint them. One like this would probably be, we could probably do one this size for £99. If you want to add the lights, we can add the lights for £20. So you're looking at £120 for something like that. You can have it any way, any shape that you want, any pattern. They look great. They do look great. And they're well made, because we make them. Any inquiries, please feel free to ask. If you can hear me, I'd like to know, because nobody ever tells me. I never get a comment. I get a lot of likes. Nobody buys me flowers. I can buy my own flowers. And what I'd like more than anything is comments and favourites. So if you like what you see, if you're enjoying the videos, please let me know. If you don't let me know, I might have to stop doing them, because if there's no communication, I just don't know if I'm doing them just for my own self. But I'll keep going for now. Right, that's dry now. Sprayed it up. All it's done really is the wood has soaked it in. So it's been a waste. But I think if I put a few more coats on it, it would take off a little bit more, get a bit more shine. Let's have a look. Now I've got a mask on. The paint that I'm using I buy from One Below, which used to be palm oil. I don't know what it's called, palm oil or was, because they're £2 each. It's actually called overlay. I don't get paid for things like that. I don't have enough followers, but I'm working on it. That seems to take me a little bit better there, because it's now, you've got to remember that I was putting it on paint before, MDF and paint, so it was soaking straight in. Now it's got a base inside it, so that's been sealed. So although it is soaking in, the next coat that I do will start to shine. So it'll come up quite well, better than I was expecting actually. This is something that I did this morning. Well, I made it yesterday, but I sprayed it today, and that's a tea light holder. It's painted black and it's varnished. I've got a few here. This is an owl that I've done for Christmas. That is going to have a tea light in the top. We do families of these. We've got mother, father. This is the father, mother, father, and child. Very popular. We sell them in bulk. We won't sell them individually. If somebody wants to buy them, well, we will sell them individually. They're $15.99 individually. If you want to buy them, we sell them in packs of 10 for people that sell on car boots and markets. We will sell them for £4 each, so they are actually quite a bargain. Basically, but you have to buy 10, a set of 10. Not 10 of each. You can buy 4 sets basically, which is 12. So you get mummy, daddy, daughter, mummy, daddy, son, whichever. This is a gold tea light holder. Cubed. That's a 3x3. That one's a 4x4. This is one that's work in progress. It's made out of a hybrid of pine in the middle and hardwood on the sides. So that's a bit different, a little bit more expensive as well. This is the start of a tea light holder. I just haven't put the hole in yet. But that's been varnished up, you can see how smooth it is. That works out really well. The varnish is brilliant, it's yacht varnish. It's very good stuff. There's another wooden one. 3x3. Previous one 4x4. That's about it for this video. I will be coming back on later when I find something to do. So thank you for calling, and please come again.